Big news. More Reliance solvents awarded Boeing 5408 approvals. Reliance Specialty Products, the leader in comprehensive vapor degreasing solutions, announces that two of its newest solvents, AeroTron-AV-5408 and AeroTron-GS-5408, have been officially approved by Boeing for use under the BAC 5408 specification. The Boeing approvals provide aerospace manufacturers and maintenance teams with high-performance alternatives to traditional chlorinated solvents, such as TCE, methylene chloride, Perc, as well as 1-bromopropane, aka NPB, and PFAS-based solvents. Both AeroTron solvents are formulated for compatibility with metals, plastics, and elastomers, and are not restricted for use on titanium. Both solvents are listed in the Boeing BAC 5408 specification, revised June 25, 2025. AeroTron-AV-5408 is an HFE-based solvent with an excellent health, safety, and regulatory profile, formulated to replace TCE, NPB, MC, Perc, and PFAS-based solvents. AeroTron-GS-5408 is the first HFO-based solvent to receive Boeing BAC 5408 approval, representing the most advanced solvent technology available for vapor degreasing. Both AeroTron solvents are uniquely formulated to replace chlorinated solvents like TCE, which are banned for industrial and commercial use as of September 2025, and replace NPB, which is under regulatory scrutiny. AeroTron solvents are under no such scrutiny while being highly effective at removing lubricants, greases, and other hydrocarbons via a variety of degreasing and cleaning methods, including vapor degreasing and ultrasonic cleaning. Regulatory and environmental advantages of AeroTron 5408 solvents. 1. Not a PFAS under the Clean Water Drinking Act or the Toxic Release Reporting Act. 2. Not regulated under NESHAP or by the U.S. DOT for transport. 3. All components are U.S. EPA SNAP approved for clean. Reliance Specialty Products, Inc. has manufactured Boeing-approved solvents for decades and is recognized as the vapor degreasing industry expert. Reliance is the only company that manufactures both vapor degreasing solvents and equipment and offers complete vapor degreasing solutions, including the Ultra Vapor Degreasing Equipment line, safer solvents, automation, training, analytical lab services, regulatory consultation, and long-term technical support. Give us a call at 847-640-8923 to learn more about AeroTron-AV-5408, or visit relspec.com.